So the next one is at t equal to 5. So here we got 2. Similarly here for t is equal to 6, I am shifting 6 minus 12. This is again to one time. So 4 to 6 here duration. So y of 6 can be represented as integral 4 to 6. Common signal is from 4 to 5 now, right? So here it is, we are having for this signal it is 4 to 6. Now here you are having the common term limit is from 4 to 5. So 4 to 5, here what you will have is x of tau, h of 6 minus tau d tau. So here the common signal value is 1, and here it is 4 to 5. That is when you integrate it you will get tau for this, right? So here 5 minus 4, here it is 1. So at t equal to 6 you will get 1. So similarly at t equal to 7, what you need to do is you need to do the same process. So I am shifting this signal. So this signal will have the signal at 5 6 7 5 6 7 4 3 2 1. Okay, so this is h of 7 minus tau. Okay, now see 5 to 7. So here the signal has knows a common limit from 5 to 7, right? So what we need to do is, so we need to find now t equal to 7. So y of 7, so minus infinity to infinity 1, x of that is the formula is y of y of 7 integral minus infinity to infinity x of tau, h of 7 minus tau d tau. So here there is no common value, so it is the integral, the value is 0. So here you will get 0. So when you take now t equal to 8, t equal to 9, after that you won't get any signal. So you have to stop up to this value. Okay. So this is what for the positive side. Okay, now we will see, I will draw y of t finally. Before that we will check whether we are having any signal for negative time pulses. So now consider t equal to minus 1. So according to the formula, y of minus 1 is equal to minus integral minus infinity to infinity x of tau, h of minus 1 minus tau d tau. Okay, so this is what your h of minus tau. Now I need to shift towards left. Okay, so here minus 1 minus 2. So this signal I need to shift towards left. So what you will get is at minus 3 to minus 2 I will have 1. So this is what your h of minus 1 minus tau. Here it is tau. Now see, if you want to have this value, I need to multiply these two signals. So now there is no common value. Okay, so here y of, here it is minus 1. So y of minus 1 is equal to 0. So whatever you will substitute, whatever negative value you will substitute, hereafter you will get minus 1. So you stop up to, for this negative value. Okay, so now you draw y of t. So what you got for y of that is y of 0. Y of 0 is 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, like that we are having. Y of 0 is 0, here 1, here 2. So y of 1 is what? 1, right? Here next one is up from y of 2 to y of 5, it is 2. Okay, from y of 2 to y of 5 the value is 2. Okay, so from y of 2 to y of 5 the value is 2. So for 3 equal to 4, 4 is for 3 and 4 it is 2. Next y of 6, for y of 6 the value is 1. Okay, so y of 6 the value is 1. At 7 also it is 1. Now you need to join these two signal, these points. So what you will get is the output is in this structure. Okay, so this is the procedure. So what is the inference you have obtained is, when you convolve these two signal you will get this resultant signal. So that is what the thing you need to understand from this.